Welcome everybody. This is going to be a little bit different video than all the other ones because as you can see, I'm in my office here. I wanted to share with you some pretty cool software that I've been playing around with. It's web-based, it's available to everybody. They even give you a free trial to play around with it. If you are a follower on our Instagram account, instagram.com/gobig, then you're already familiar with what we've been doing with the text-to-image AIs, but I just wanted to run through them both and just show you how to work them and show you how powerful they are, show you how really cool they are and the images they make. So the two text-to-image generators are DALL-E and Midjourney. Midjourney uses Discord, so you have to have a Midjourney account and a Discord account, and it actually works through Discord. We'll get to that one in the next video, but in this video I'm going to show you how to use the DALL-E AI image generator, and we're going to be making some new car images to go on our Instagram account. This audio is going to be a little bit different because I switched over to a headset, but I'm going to walk you through how to do DALL-E. Once you go to DALL-E, search for it in Google, you can set up an account, you can log in with your Google account, and you will get 15 credits for free, and each time you hit the generate button counts as a credit. So you'll be given 15 generations for free, and then every month you get 15 for free as well. You can purchase more, but if you just want to play around with it and see what's going on with it, then the 15 should be good enough. So as I mentioned, this is a text-based AI. This is a text-to-image AI. So what you have to do is type in what you want to see. So if we just put a car on a road near a river and then hit enter, it's going to give us 4 different options, and it's going to make it as realistic as possible. So as you can see, these are pretty realistic. They're not perfect, obviously, just because of how the algorithm works, but you can see that they're pretty realistic. So since my goal is to make really neat looking pictures, the more text you add to your prompt, the closer to what is in your mind the prompt will be. So let's go a painting of a classic car on a road near a river. Let's see what that gives us. And then it'll give you some tips while you're waiting on what other people do, give you some ideas, different styles. All right, now we're getting closer. So I like this one. So I'm going to save it, download it. The unfortunate thing about DALL-E is sometimes it gives you images that are a little cut off, but with their outpainting feature, you can go edit image, and each one of these generations counts as a credit, so don't forget that. You can go down here to the add generation frame, and you can make this picture a little bit bigger, and it will generate this missing piece here based on the rest of what it sees in this frame. So if we hit generate, it's gonna think for a little bit. You can see a little circle moving up here. You can see the line down here. And it's gonna give us 4 different options on how to fill this in. So we can choose between the 4 different options. Hopefully we get a good looking one. That's not bad. So we'll go with that one. Then we accept that. And then since it has so much space behind the car, we are going to generate a little bit more space on this side of the car. Now sometimes it misunderstands what it sees, and sometimes you'll get another car, or sometimes you'll get something wonky. Like this road's kind of wonky here, but I'll show you how to fix that in just a second. There we go, that's kind of good. Let's see what our other options are. Yeah, let's go with that number 2. It looks alright. There's some brighter colors, it doesn't really match the rest of the scenery, but it's not too bad for what we got. So, this back tire doesn't really look like a good back tire, so let's try removing it, and then we'll generate another one. Hopefully we'll get a little bit better of a back tire. We'll get some options to fill in.
Alright, that doesn't look too bad. That one does look bad. That one looks bad. Ah, that one's pretty good too. I think I like that sunken in one better though. But that hubcap does match that front hubcap a little bit better. Nope, we'll go with that one. Alright, so now that we've made our picture pretty much what we wanted, then we're going to hit download, and now we've saved that to our computer. We have it now. So we have the original one that was in that lineup before, and we have this new one that we've created. So let's go back. We're going to go back all the way to our 4. We could edit one of these other ones, but we don't really need to because this one fit the whole car in the frame, and I'm not really a fan of these two. So let's add some more to our text prompt and see what else we can do. So we have a painting of a classic car on a road near a river. Let's do in the style of, and then we can just put any famous artist in here. So let's do Van Gogh. Now it doesn't always interpret exactly what you said, exactly how you would interpret it, but there we go. We have some generations that kind of take after his Starry Night painting. So I kind of like this one. So let's download that one. I like this one too. So each credit will give you 4 images that you can keep. This one's not bad either. But this one here, obviously it cut it off. So let's edit it again and let's see if we can bring in the front of that car again. It kind of looks like it's got a flat tire, but we'll just ignore that because it's AI. AI takes a lot of creative liberties because it's just analyzing other photos on the internet and other paintings. That one's not bad. Yeah, I like that one the best. We'll go there, and then we'll add, hopefully, some more landscape around it. Hopefully it won't put more car in here. I've had some that generate some really weird stuff, but there we go. That looks great. What else do we have? Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Yeah, I think that's a winner. Alright, we download that. So you can take this. Each generation frame is 1024 by 1024 pixels. You can generate an entire picture. You can zoom out, put down, but you can zoom out, and you can generate a huge picture that will fit your entire multiple monitor desktop. You can make yourself a desktop, but remember, each generation is going to cost you 1 credit. You can use the little hand tool and pull it around where you need to. So let's change this up completely and we'll try a different example. Let's do a sculpture of a classic car in the style of Michelangelo. I think I spelled that right. Let's give it a shot. And there we go. We have some bronze sculptures. Obviously they're going to look weird because it's completely generating the image. That one looks kind of cool though. And I'm sure we can outpaint this one a little bit, give a little bit more car, and see what's going on with this guy. But this one here, I kind of like this. So let's download it. We'll kind of keep that one, put it up on our Instagram. But as you can see, you can play around with pretty much everything. So let's do a watercolor of a muscle car in the desert. So let's do an abandoned muscle car in the desert. We'll see how this AI interprets this. Ooh. Yeah, I like these. I like this one. I'm going to download that one. This one, there's not really much there. This one's pretty cool. We can try to expand that. And this one's really cool. That's still good. So let's do a pencil sketch of something. Let's do a pencil sketch of an abandoned muscle car. We'll do futuristic. And we'll do dystopian wasteland city. But apparently my S key doesn't work. There we go. Let's try that. See what it gives us. Not too bad, but obviously that we're missing a lot of detail since it's a pencil sketch. This one's kind of cool. Save that one. This one's kind of cool. So let's turn this back into a synth pop poster. There we go. Got some DeLorean looking car. We got something that I don't even know what's going on there. I like this one. This one's kind of cool. This one's kind of cool. So it's nice that each credit gives you 4 images that you can download. Let's do synth wave picture and see if that gives us something different. That's definitely different. You can see the different colors. This one's cool. This one's kind of ominous. Alright, well this has been an overview on how to use the DALL-E text-to-image AI generator.
There's a lot of good resources online that you can check out. Definitely Google everything. You can make pictures of anything. It's not just limited to cars. There are some rules though. There's no NSFW stuff. They don't like nudity and that kind of stuff being generated. There is a terms and conditions that you do have to sign when you get your account, and there's some guidelines that they'd like you to follow. But yeah, hopefully you found this useful. Hopefully you'll find it as interesting as I did, and you'll go play with it, and you'll burn through your 15 credits as fast as I did. I ended up buying some more credits. I ended up buying quite a few more credits, and I've made some really cool pictures that I'm really proud of. But DALL-E's okay, but as soon as I found Midjourney, that's where I've been staying. We'll go over that one in the next video, but I did want to show you DALL-E because it has that outpainting feature, and that's pretty cool. You can make pretty big pictures that you can put on products. You can put them on canvases, you can put them on a lot of stuff. Midjourney is kind of limited in that respect, but we will get into that in the next video. So for now, thanks for watching.